In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to your one-to-one sales and sequence emails in Hubspot. This is a crucial step in ensuring compliance with email marketing regulations and giving your recipients the option to opt out of email communications, thus maintaining a healthy and engaged contact list. To begin, navigate to HubSpot's homepage by typing in their official URL. This will bring you to the main landing page where you'll find various tools and resources that HubSpot offers. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner, conveniently placed for ease of access. Click on it. After clicking Login, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. If you're a regular user, you might be familiar with this screen already, but remember, ensuring your login details are secure is paramount to protect your data. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. This page serves as the central hub from which you can access all the features and tools HubSpot provides. Spend a moment here to familiarize yourself if you're new, as this is where most of your navigation will start. Next, locate the email section. This could be housed under settings or preferences, depending on your HubSpot setup. Clicking here will direct you to the email settings page where you can manage different aspects of your email campaigns. It's good to take time exploring other email settings as well, as making any additional tweaks can be beneficial for future campaigns. Once you are on the email settings page, look specifically for the option to include unsubscribe link. This is a critical step. Adding an unsubscribe link to your emails is not only required by law in many jurisdictions, but it also demonstrates respect for your recipient's preferences. Click on this option to enable it. Adding an unsubscribe link ensures you're respecting the consumer's right to choose. This small step of enabling the unsubscribe link can improve your sender reputation and increase recipient trust. Plus, it makes your email communications compliant with regulations like the CAN-SPAM Act or GDPR, depending on your region. Remember, maintaining an engaged email list is not just about sending emails, it's about allowing recipients to opt out if they choose. This practice helps to focus your efforts on those who are truly interested and engaged in what you have to offer. And there you have it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your one-to-one sales and sequence emails in HubSpot. Now you can move forward with your email campaigns knowing they conform to best practices and legal standards. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to master your HubSpot experience.